Data hygiene actually plays one of the most important parts in data analysis. People get quite excited by the outcome of the insight and data analysis that's undertaken, but actually it's back to that adage, rubbish in, rubbish out. If you don't clean the data which is being analysed and interpreted and turned into insight, if you don't clean it and format it correctly in the first instance, all of the output, all of your insight, all of your segmentation is actually going to be wrong because the data that it relies on, the foundation of that process, is incorrect. So absolutely, data hygiene plays the most crucial part in data analysis. If you've got two individuals on your database who's actually the same person, then you need to identify that, because otherwise you're segmenting what appears to be two different individuals who's actually one individual. And so everything that you do thereafter is wrong. So data hygiene is, I would say, one of the most important stages to be undertaken in any data insight or data analysis project.